Is it true that peppers like dry soil? And this is Carolyn from Oakland, Tennessee. Interesting question though. Is it true that peppers like dry soil?
Well, not necessarily dry. They like hot weather.
Hot weather, yeah.
But not necessarily dry soil. In fact, dry soil can hinder fruit production. Really what you would like is a more even moisture without it being too wet. Now, you don't want, peppers do not like to be wet.
Do not.
So that's probably what she's thinking about. So maybe, you know, a little bit of drying before you water it again. Make sure it really needs water.
Right.
But if you can keep a nice even moisture, it would be the best.
Yeah, I would agree with that. Nice uniform watering would be good. Yeah, you don't want dry soil. Yeah.
No.
Poor fruit set that you mentioned, and those immature fruits can drop because of dry soil. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.